Welcome, everyone. How are you all doing? Hello, everyone. Hello. How are you all doing? Hmm. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. I want more people to join in before we start. No, it's consolidating today, not going up and down because it's stuck in the same zone almost. Market became very slow. Okay, we are still holding yesterday's trades, and we today we made $250. Yesterday it was 2nd of Feb. So let's make some custom period. Yesterday. So yesterday we happened to make around $2,500, 2,487, and an active loss of around $1,000, which is fine, I think, not an issue. I'm going to be closing it today. So yeah. Okay. Gold, let's buy 0.15. That's a good move. And I think we can close it. Yes, $60 made again. So it's consolidating in the same zone, almost not breaking either of the side. So let us see if we are able to see some moves. Although 49.57.60s is a good zone for selling of gold. So let's see, do we get a chance over there? Let us mark it from now onwards. Let us mark it. Which is the good zone. Well, yeah, this is a good zone to sell. So we're going to be planning our sales from this particular zone. Yeah, good pattern. So we can do some handsome selling from there. Let's check it out in 1 minute time frame. It's going up. Finding some movements which you can see. Nice, very nice. Yeah, some good move. Nasdaq also stuck in the same zone since yesterday almost. Mhm. USD JPY is folding. Let us make some analysis. Gold is no silver. I'm sorry, oil. It's trading at $62 per barrel. Natural gas too much down. Whoa! Look at the gap. It closed at how much? Closed at 4.3 and opened at 3.6. That's really huge. Silver finally rebounding, trading now at 87. Nasdaq very close to $26,000, very close. USD JPY is going down. Hmm. Okay. Let's see pound versus JPY. Nothing major. Let's go to GBP USD. Nothing major. Nothing major. Aussie USD. Nothing. Let's see pound versus Australian. It's going down since so many days. Yeah. Euro owned same. It's really, really oversold since so many days. It has been trying to go down. Dollar index 97. Okay. Bitcoin trading at $78,000 per coin. That's really, really strange. But if you want to buy it for long term, this is the time. If you want to buy it for longer term, this is the time. Anyhow, let's see Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Some more extended moves. Yeah. Okay. Ethereum trading at $2,300 per coin. Let's see DAX. DAX is also okay, not that big, not huge, nothing major. Let's focus on gold. Let's focus on gold. Okay. So we're going to be planning our sales from this particular zone, which is round about above 57. We're going to be planning our sell positions over there. Okay. Any around this particular zone, which is 49.57 above. We can plan ourselves from that particular zone, and that's how we're going to be doing it. So what is happening nowadays is like markets have been reacting heavily to news and about central banks leadership, especially in the US. When big central bank decisions are in focus, forex traders shift positions quickly, rapidly. So the US dollar got stronger after news about the next Federal Reserve chair appointment. Powell is no longer like the chairman. So a stronger dollar tends to push currency pairs and commodities prices down. So this dollar strength caused corrections in gold and silver, and that also affects other currencies such as Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, euro, cross pairs in forex markets like JPY, pound. So after big gains, both metals sold off very sharply. Gold went down, silver went down more than gold, right? So then we saw a bounce back after that. Gold up nearly 5% and silver up nearly 9%. Why? Because traders they reacted to Fed news and the stronger US dollar, which often pushes gold and silver lower. But oversold conditions pushed some buying again today, causing a rebound. Before that, overbought positions caused gold and silver to go down and other reasons. But this time, oversold conditions push gold and silver up. So, what this means in simple terms, gold and silver are very volatile right now. Big moves followed by big rebounds, right? So, that's what is actually happening right now. Walaikum salam, Taki. Yes, US shut down. That's the reason that we are unable to see any forex data from US, any news or anything. Like you see any USD pair, you'll see tentative. Why? Because your US government data may be impacted by shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. Right. So that is what is actually happening. You guys can hear me well? Let me know in the chat. Anushri is saying voice reached. Hmm. Let us have some buying in gold. 0.15. There we go. We're holding yesterday's Nasdaq trades. As I spoke earlier, that today we are made $317 so far. Yesterday we managed to make around $2,500. We made roughly, yeah, 2,487 for yesterday. And for today, we have made over $300. Plus, the current trade right now again is in $100 profit. We're gonna book it. So far, $400 for the day. Not bad. Okay. So Nasdaq trades we're gonna be holding. Plus, we're gonna be making sure that we get it closed by today. We're gonna be closing them down by today. Surely. Okay. So let us monitor gold again and let us see what we can do out of it. US government shutdown. Last time was the longest ever in the history of US government. I want gold to give a breakout so that we can do some sellings. It's okay. I might have it. Okay. Today the market is really slow. I don't know why. No idea. We're going to be focusing on some. No. Dow Jones. Nothing major today in the market. You're going to be taking help of gold then. But gold is also consolidating in this particular zone respectively. We want to see some volatility so that if you want to make something, we want volatility. We want volatility. Okay, USD can give some correction from here. So why don't we buy one standard lot from here? Let's see. It's for scalping purposes only. You're not going to be holding it for too long. Your market is really boring. Look at the candles of gold. You're really confused actually. If you see the higher time frames, you see? I think we're gonna sell gold for scalp. Let's see. And we're going to be closing it as well if it goes against us. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, it just went near to our take profit, but it did not trigger actually. Sad, really sad. Okay, it's going there again, moving towards there. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, perfect. I know, right, Sunny, Raj Boot Sunny. It's like scalping purposes, as I said earlier. It's for scalping. If you see majorly, yeah, I sold so many times today, point 20, point 20. all right? And then 0.15 right now. And 2 times I bought. So $500 made like by doing this simple, what you call a scalp. Although I'm going to be selling from a higher level, as I discussed, I'm going to be selling from above 57. I'm going to be selling. Okay. It's time to buy. Back from here. USD GPY is becoming boring. I'm going to close it with the, it just literally covers spreads in such a long time. So just close it, simple. Mm-hmm. When there's data in the market, there's some good volatility, good movements, price movements, but it's government shutdown. Mm-hmm. You should take profit that it did not hit once again. There we go. To be hit once again. And $557 for the day. I want to make some more profit so that I get good to close these trades. I want to get rid of them. I know if I hold them for a while, it can recover the loss, but I don't want to carry forward my losses. Like this much loss is bearable on such kind of account. But why don't we close it? Adjusting it with the profits. Okay, some back. Mm-hmm. Great.
ब्रोकर वारंट पे आ जाता है इसको हम क्रेडिट बेनिफिट कैसे क्रेडिट
Okay. So let's see some volatility if you're able to see some volatility. Like I want to really sell big volume from 49, 57, 58, and 60. Actually, I want to sell big volume. So let's see if I'm able to do that. If the market reacts accordingly, if the market is cooperating with me, if the market even goes there. Mhm. Most of the instruments they're consolidating. If you see indices, Forex, oil, commodities. I don't know what's happening. Like maybe after the stock market opens, maybe we can see something. But so far nothing. Like literally nothing. Come on, we're getting bored with such kind of consolidation in gold. Walaikum salam. Can we see some buyings? Let's buy. To take profit for around here. It's here. Okay. Let's see. It's in profit anyhow. It is in profit. It is in profit.
Allow 3 days, 5 days.
Okay.
उस दिन
Uh-huh.
के बाद फर्स्ट डे से की ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी ऑन उसके बाद से ऑटोमेटिक स्वैप चार्ज
Right, 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 right. Okay, close to our take profit. Yes, hit successfully. 637 for the day. 637 for the day.
हम स्वैप फ्री फॉर लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए उसकी एक्सपायरी डाल सकते हैं स्वैप फ्री की यहाँ तक
Okay, it's finally going up. Like it should break this zone. It should go up. It should. Finally. Right. Okay. Finally. After a long time. Again going down. Let's sell. What else we can expect if it's not going up? Although it is going up, I'm gonna close it, I think. Yeah. Hmm. Close because I think it can go up. I think, but since it is consolidating in the same zone, that's why I sold it. But it looks bullish right now. It looks bullish. Mm-hmm. You close it early because we were thinking that it's going to go up. Hmm. Right. Why the market is considered to make that this much today because of these kind of shutdowns which are happening in the US. Oh, so I want gold to go up further $30 so that we can plan our big volume selling. We're gonna be selling in big volume. Yes. Mm-hmm. Nice, very nice. It's literally gonna take a couple of minutes. It's nothing for gold nowadays. In literally within minutes, it can go 20, 30 minutes of $20, $30, $50 within minutes. It's like literally nothing nowadays for gold. It's really crazy. You see, these are literally 1 minute candles. 22, $10 in 1 minute. Crazy. $10. Look at this. This is a $5 candle. Price increase $5 from that particular candle. Now look at this. Wow. Anyhow, we are having our sales plan from 57 zone. Let us make a, what do you call, a sell limit from there. And it is going to automatically trigger without me doing anything. It's a good zone actually to sell from there. Mm-hmm. Okay. Candle closed. 30 minutes. Can we see some buying from this level? I think it's bearish. It's gonna be bearish once again. Can be. It can be. Hmm. We can plan sellings also if it is unable to break this level. Let us go with a small tester. Let's see how does it go. If it breaks it above, obviously we have to close it with loss. But if it continues going down, we are in profit. Yes, there it is. Hmm. We're gonna be scalping, so that's fine. Okay. Okay. So now the market is still consolidating. I hope we open some big volume before we end the session, today's session. No use because there's no volatility, no movement. We want to catch some big movements. Hmm. I hope there's going to be volatility before 6. 6 the wait time. Yeah, we closed it really early and now it's falling crazy. Hmm. Right. So we're happening to see some small kind of movements comparatively better than before. I think it's going to go down. So I'm going to sell again and it's in profit. Although it's very kind of risky if you're going against the trend. Master trend is like, still bought. Hmm. Yeah, going against me now once again. Yeah. Hmm. I think I'm going to sell one more and close both together. I'm going to be closing both together.
कौन सी चीज बता रहे थे आप? ये जो ऊपर है ना?
There we go.
जी।
So I'm going to be closing both together. Great. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.
हम्म।
Okay. Yeah. So gold is unable to break this particular zone as of now. As of now, it is unable to break it. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I don't want to close today's session without opening big volume, to be honest, guys. It's lovely to take some big risks with big volumes, obviously.
यस, ठीक है। ये बुक
Okay, it's trying to go up once again, but I think I'm going to be selling once again. And this time, I think it's going to break it. Yeah, okay.
वो चैप्टर
What is this level? It's 49.48. Okay. Okay. 49.48. Yeah, finally going down. It is unable, literally unable to give a breakout so far as of now. No breakout. No successful breakout. That's the reason that we're using a small volume for testing purposes. So far we managed to make $787. And I think I'm going to be closing this mini trade of NASDAQ, which we opened yesterday. And as I said, we are good to even hold it, but I want to close it and adjust it in today's profits. So yes, let's refresh the account. And yes, $265 left behind. No issues. No issues. If gold gives us some big moves, we can still catch them. We can still catch them. Yeah, again at the same place. Again in the same place. I don't know what gold wants out of this. So if it is still resisting over there, this also means that it can give a breakout very, very soon. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah. See, gold is literally confused, going up and down in the same direction with some big wicks. So I don't know. Let's see. I want it to go up actually, so that we can sell it with a higher volume, bigger volume. Yeah. Hmm. Where is USD JPY? Yeah. Oh, look at USD JPY. Closed it so early, and now it's going up. We closed it somewhere around here, and now it is here. Not bad. Hmm. Can we see some volatility now? Mm-hmm. Is it still consolidating in the same zone or does it want to give a breakout? Let's sell, guys. Let's sell. Let's sell. Let's sell. Okay, we open one more sell position. This one will take profit limit. Mm-hmm. Finally. Now. Yes. Let us hold it for a while. I think they'll give a breakout. I think. Yeah, I think it'll give a breakout. But it seems to be coming back down. Retracement again. Let's see. You just open and trade.
ये अभी कपल अभी बना दे बात अभी कॉल बंद करके फोन तुम्हारे बंद करेगा ओके जब सेशन आ तो
It's still consolidating in the same zone. Yeah, finally. I think it's going to give a breakout above. So let us close it. Let's wait for this 1 minute candle to close. And we're going to be taking a necessary action. If it's going down, well and good. If it kept on going up, we're going to be closing it. So let us wait for this candle's close. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it looks bullish. It looks bullish. Mm-hmm. and we're closing exit, no issues. So we are having $159 profit. It's fine. We will sell it from a higher level, probably after 10 to $13 above the current market price. If the market goes there, we're gonna be opening our sell positions, obviously. Yeah. It's a good thing we closed it since it's going up. So no issues. We're gonna be recovering this loss. We're still in net profit, but we're gonna be recovering it if the market goes up about roundabout at 57, 60s, something like this. Okay. Yeah, it's going up. It's a nice thing we close it early. But now we're gonna be, yeah, there we go. This kind of moment we were expecting. Now it's time to sell from a higher level. Let's have a small tester. What do you guys say? 0.05 and sell. And we're gonna be selling bigger at 57 zone. Like one more big candle till here and be good. Mm-hmm. Small tester is in profit. Still, we want the market to go up so that we can sell from the highest with a bigger volume. Yeah, finally it's going up. So we want it to further go up so that we can sell from the highest. Mm-hmm. Okay, finally 50, 49 again. Mm-hmm. Come on. Gold is not cooperating today, actually. We want it to push one more time. We want it to push one more time so that we can sell it from the highest. And right now it is trading at 49, 47.5, but we want it to go to 49, 58.20. Hmm. Hmm. So it's rebounding from here. Yeah, it's going down from here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Pez. So we want it to go higher so that we can sell it from the higher levels. Although it is unable to go there, it's US government shutdown. That's the reason that we are unable to see some data in the market, due to which market is consolidating and no use actually. I'm gonna close it over right over here. You never know. Okay. So yeah, 49.57 is the right level. It's in Nasdaq. Okay. DAX, nothing major. Dow Jones, market is not cooperating today at all. Pound versus Australian dollar, nothing. The whole market is boring to be honest, guys. Whole market is boring, actually. No use. But if the market come up at 49.57, we're going to be selling in some big quantity, obviously. Big quantity, big volume. But the market is not cooperating. USD we closed it so early. We bought it somewhere around here, and now then it went up here, and now trading at here. Natural gas is still having some good potential. Why? Because there's a huge gap down. So someday around, it's going to be filling this gap, a huge gap. So for the investors who want to who is planning something for long term, this is the time. If it goes further down, you can average it. Yeah. So this rally has been actually broken, this channel, right now trading at 3.22. As I said earlier, the market closed at 4.3, and the next day the market opened at 3.6. There's a huge potential and a huge gap. So with someday around, it can be filling it up ultimately. So yeah. So we can plan our buyings once again at somewhere around here, and sellings above at 49.58 or something. Look at the sell-off. All right, guys, I think we're done for the day. Nothing major. So far, we managed to make $235 after cutting the big loss of NASDAQ. And yeah, that's it for the day. Uh, the market is boring. We can't see anything major happening in the market. So see you all guys tomorrow, same time, same place, with some good motivation and obviously with some good moves, market moves. See you all tomorrow. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you know whenever there's something new coming down in the market or we're live or any update from us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you all tomorrow, same day, same time, same place. and manage your risks accordingly. See you all tomorrow. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Bye.